Clapperboard YouTube script, LogicLyft, Chapter 1, Section 1.1, Getting Started with Python, Microphone Intro. Hey friends! Welcome to LogicLyft, keep it simple. Today, we're starting our Python journey from Chapter 1, Section 1.1, Getting Started. Let's learn what Python is and how to start using it. Blue Book. What is Python? Python is a very popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and launched in 1991. Python is used for general-purpose programming. That means you can use it for almost anything: websites, apps, automation, data science, AI, and more. Brain features of Python. Python is easy to learn, powerful, and clean. It supports different styles of programming. Object-oriented, functional, procedural, imperative. It has automatic memory management and a large standard library, which means Python helps you do a lot of things without writing too much code. Input numbers. Python versions. There are two major Python versions being used: Python 3.x, the current version. Actively developed, Python 2.x, the older version. No new features, only security fixes. Python 2 was used for many years, but now most developers are shifting to Python 3, so in this course, we'll use Python 3. Globe with Meridians. How to download Python. To use Python, you need to download and install it. Go to https://python.org. You can get Python 3.x for Windows, Mac, or Linux from the downloads page. There are also special versions of Python available online that come with tools for data analysis, scientific computing, math packages. These are provided by third-party sites. Laptop computer. Verify Python installation. After installing Python, you can check if it's installed correctly. Open your terminal or command prompt and type this command: Python version, or on some systems, it may be Python 3 version. If you see a version like Python 3.11.5, that means Python is installed and ready to use. White heavy checkmark. Summary. Let's quickly review what we learned in this section. Python is a high-level, easy-to-use programming language. It supports many styles of programming. There are two main versions, Python 2 and 3. We use Python 3. You can download it from python.org. You can verify it using the command line. Outro. That's it for section 1.1 of Python. In the next video, we'll learn how to create variables and assign values in Python. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to LogicLyft. And remember, keep it simple, keep it fun.